Hello patrons, today we're talking about our Patreon in review, and here are the 5 videos from last week. So if you didn't see them, please pop over and watch. If you're not a patron, please think about joining us. I'm so excited that we're growing by leaps and bounds, and I'm so excited to have all the new wonderful patrons in our community. We're looking to build the community to 1,000 by the end of this year, and we're really excited about that. And I would love you to be one of those first 1,000. All right, here are the videos that we did last week. The first one is What You Can Imagine. The second one was Getting Tough with Teenagers. The third one is How Do You Do It When You Just Don't Want to? The fourth one is Short Fuse. And the fifth one is Not Trying to Catch Up. These are all great videos, already getting great reviews, I'll call it that, from patrons. And I just love my patrons so much. I really want you to be one. Come on over. And if you're a patron and you haven't watched in a while, please pop over and watch your videos. They're there for you. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, patrons. And always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.